So, I had something today. Someone told me that your favorite footballer is in Finland. And you said you have a message for him.
Yes.
Let's hear you.
Hello. We are Troost-Ekong. We are Yoruba Pikin. We heard that you are in Finland, and we would love to see you. And we watch all your African Cup games.
Okay. Camille, do you have a message for him?
We also play football.
Okay, and then what else do you want?
Can you please sign our t-shirt, jersey?
Jersey. Okay, fantastic. Okay, Yakub, can you tell us your message in Yoruba?
Hello, Troost-Ekong. I'm one Yoruba Pikin. Abo peyi wani Finland.
Okay.
Ati fe eriyi gidike.
Okay.
Ati ball African Cup.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, we will send this to Troost-Ekong and let's hope that is this video and then he makes contact. Let's see. Bye!
Hello, Yoruba Pikins. So nice to hear from you and your lovely message. I just want to say thank you for your support. Unfortunately, now I won't have time to meet you in Finland because I have a bit of a tight schedule and I can't really move around too much. And however, the next time I'll be here, God willing, we have a chance again, then I'll make sure I'll bring some jerseys over so you guys can represent. I wish you guys all the best and yeah, take care of yourself. A very nice message.
Nice.
Thank you.
How are you today? Someone told me something. I had something. It was a secret. They said Troost-Ekong actually reached out to you guys. Is that true? Really?
Yes.
Do you have a message for him?
Yes.
Okay, let me hear it.
Hello, Troost-Ekong. Thank you for the response. We appreciate it. I hope to see you soon.
Wow, that's nice. And what message do you have for your fans?
Thank you for tagging us.
Tagging who?
Troost-Ekong.
Okay, and he came here to do his operation, his leg operation. And what message do you have for him about his well-being?
We hope that you get well soon.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's lovely. Okay, say bye to Trust.